The story of the United States presidency begins with a single man standing at the edge of history. In 1789, George Washington took the oath of office not as a king, but as a citizen chosen to lead a new republic. With no roadmap to follow, he shaped the very foundation of American leadership. Washington established traditions that still guide the presidency today: a peaceful transfer of power, respect for the Constitution, and the principle that no leader is above the law. In the fragile early years of the nation, his steady presence provided unity, credibility, and hope. As the young nation gained confidence, its ambitions grew. Under President Thomas Jefferson, the United States made one of the most consequential decisions in its history: the Louisiana Purchase. With a single agreement, America doubled its size, opening vast lands of opportunity and uncertainty. Pioneers moved westward, crossing rivers, plains, and mountains in search of freedom and prosperity. This era of expansion transformed the presidency into a force that shaped the nation's destiny, redefining its borders and the very idea of what America could become. But this period of growth came at a great cost. Deep divisions over slavery, states' rights, and national identity pushed the country toward its darkest hour. The Civil War tore the nation apart, testing the strength of the presidency like never before. Abraham Lincoln rose during this time of chaos, carrying the burden of a divided nation on his shoulders. Through immense courage and unwavering moral resolve, he signed the Emancipation Proclamation, forever changing the course of American history. As the war concluded, the Union was preserved, and the presidency emerged as a symbol of sacrifice, unity, and moral leadership. Entering the 20th century, America faced new challenges at home and abroad. Theodore Roosevelt expanded the power of the presidency to confront industrial corruption and protect the nation's natural resources, reshaping the role of government in the lives of ordinary citizens. Yet this era of progress did not last. The Great Depression brought economic collapse, widespread unemployment, and deep despair. Franklin D. Roosevelt responded with bold leadership, using the presidency as a tool for recovery and reform. Through his New Deal and public works programs, he restored confidence and reminded Americans that strong leadership mattered most in times of crisis. In the modern era, the presidency became a global institution. Presidents were tasked with navigating world wars, Cold War tensions, domestic civil rights struggles, and rapid technological change. Landmark moments, such as the signing of civil rights legislation, expanded the promise of freedom and equality for all Americans. At the same time, political scandals exposed the limits of power and reinforced the importance of accountability. The world began to look to the American president not just as a national figure, but as a global leader influencing diplomacy, economics, and peace across continents. Today, the presidency stands as one of the most powerful offices in the world, shaped by centuries of triumph, conflict, and transformation. From Washington's humble beginnings to the complex challenges of the modern age, each president has left an indelible mark on the nation's ongoing story. The office continues to evolve, reflecting the hopes, struggles, and values of the American people. And as history moves forward, the presidency remains a reminder that leadership can change the course of a nation, and sometimes the world.